Hello and welcome for 2 minutes on Generative Fill. Photoshop 2024 has very much increased its AI capabilities, and Generative Fill is one of those things. So if you've been following my channel or watching my videos, I wanted to do a quick lesson on how to use Generative Fill in your work. First of all, there's another bar that we can pull out, and it's called the Contextual Taskbar. The Contextual Taskbar can be moved around the screen, and it's a great really easy bar to throw out there to do some very simple things. Like if I wanted to select the subject, right? I feel like when I first started teaching Photoshop, selecting the subject was a big deal, and we went through all the tools. Now it's just a click, right? That's very easy. Let me do Command Z. I'm going to go back again. Another one I can do is remove the background. So the selection of items within a photograph has become increasingly easy just from these simple things that I can click from. I can create a mask from this. I can add to the mask, subtract from the mask, all the things that we had to go to do to other tools or other areas and layers has now just been made so much easier. What I want to do is I'm going to add some size to this canvas on the left here so that I can put some text. So I'm going to go to image, I'm going to go to my canvas size, and I want to add canvas, oops, wrong side. I want to add to this side of the canvas here. I'm going to change my measurements to inches. It's already at 27, it's very large, but I'm going to go ahead and add a few inches on top of that. I have my proportions constrained, so it's going to just add me right there on the edges. So if I wanted to add, if I just wanted to increase the brick wall here, I'm just going to select this area right here that will increase the brick wall, and you'll know that my contextual taskbar has changed. It is because it wants to give you all the options for whatever you're doing, so it makes it really easy to kind of add and edit things. So let's see, I'm going to do generative fill. What do I want to add? I want to add a brick wall, and Sensei should figure out that I want that brick wall because Sensei's pretty smart. So let's see what happens. Just kind of give me some more space there that I can add some text to, since I'm leaning that way, for an intro for my website or for my YouTube or anything like that. So it is generating that missing piece. You can get as creative as you want with the generative fill. Let's see different options that I've got. I can click through some different options, and there's one that fills it all the way. So generative fill, it's kind of replaced a lot of the things that we used to do in Photoshop, but it's meant to make you work smarter, not harder. That's what I keep hearing Adobe say, and I think they're right on the money. So thank you for watching. This was just a 2-minute simple introduction to generative fill.